Hi everyone, we are the student of PLT College and welcome to our vlog.
Today, we're talking about one of the environmental issues affecting our school environment population.
Yes, it might sound simple, but overpopulation in schools like ours causes a lot of problems. From crowded classrooms to more waste and pollution.
So, join us. We explore what's really happening, how it affects us, and what we can do to help.
So what we can do to solve our lesson, overpopulation effects?
The school should add more classroom or limit the number of students per class or per section.
Students can help too. Let's keep our surroundings clean, avoid engineering, and respect shared spaces.
Also, we can suggest activities like computer environmental awareness, campaign, promote responsibility to students.
Let's use eco-friendly habits. Bring your own tumblers and materials and reduce waste.
Overpopulation in PRTC College is not just a school pattern problem, it is an environmental issue that affects all of us.
But if we work together and stay responsible, we can make a big difference.
Let's make our school cleaner, greener, and more comfortable for everyone.
Because small action leads to big changes.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and comment down below your ideas.